Hey beauties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my DIY clip-in extensions that are super easy to do. I honestly do it in a lazy method. So I'm going to show you guys all the details, how you can go from this, lifeless, dull, disgusting, flat, and no, to this. So let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started, hi, I'm Raven. I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and dating content here on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that notification bell. And if you love hair videos, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. So as you guys can see, my hair is thinning out thanks to my thyroid condition. It sucks, but it's getting better. But my hair has thinned out and fallen out, and yeah, it's just a mess. So this is my hair before my clip-in extensions. So I'm going to be using the Outre brand in the premium new Yaki, and this is in the number 2, and I use 8 inches. So this hair is actually perfect for me. As you guys know, I am relaxed, so the premium Yaki really matches my texture perfectly. And this also has natural highlights, which my hair has too naturally, so it really matches my hair perfectly. So the first thing I'm going to do is section my hair off. I'm going to start with the lower part of my hair and basically comb it through, so I have a nice section to work with, and then comb the rest of my hair up. And I'm going to pin this up so it doesn't get in my way. But as you guys can see, I sectioned off the back, and that's where it's going to start. Alright, so I'm going to take a bundle and I'm going to measure it out to the back of my hair. And I'm going to use my fingers to measure this out to the right length. Then once I figure that out, I'm going to snip it, and then you have a single weft of hair. And this is where it gets really fun. So as you can see, the clip-in extensions that I'm using, they are sewless. I don't have to sew these onto the actual tracks. The 2 pieces that you see at the top, they actually twist down just like this. And you basically secure them onto the hair, and it does not move. It just, ever since I discovered these at my local beauty supply store, I have not gone back to sewing them. So this just makes life a whole lot easier, and you just push them up, clip them on like regular clip-ins, and it's just perfect. And just like that, you have a 2-clip weft. So I'm going to push the pins up, and I'm going to secure this onto my hair. And I like to secure mine pretty close to the root and as close to the part as possible, just so it blends a lot better and it's easier to comb through. But that's basically it, you guys. So yeah, that is how I make 1 clip of my clip-in extensions. I'm going to comb that out and blend my real hair into the actual bundle pieces. And then I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to part my hair as I go up into sections, comb the rest of my hair up into a ponytail so it doesn't get tangled and all messed up, and just take that bundle, and I'm going to do the same exact thing, put it to the back of my hair, keep it as close to the part as possible, measure it out with my fingers till I feel like it's about right, and then I'm going to snip the hair. So this is about a 2-clip weft. You will go higher as you go, so you'll have 2 clips, and then you'll have 3 clips, and you'll go back to 2. So just depending on how you like to do it, or your liking, or your preference. I just like to do 2 at the bottom, 2 in the middle, and then 3 closer towards the middle of my hair. So it basically just depends, but you can do that to your liking. But the key here is making sure that your actual extension piece is secure onto your hair, and making sure that it blends. So again, this texture, the premium Yaki, matches my relaxed hair texture really well. And again, it does have those natural highlights, pretty much the same exact thing that my natural hair has, so it blends perfectly. But as you can see here, I have a 3-clip weft, and this is kind of towards the middle of my hair. So I do about, I want to say maybe 3 sections in the back, and then I work my way towards the top so I can work on my side bang, because you guys know I love my bobiana and I love my layers in my bang. And you guys might be wondering why I'm sectioning it off in a diagonal part. I like a lot of volume in my bang, so by me parting it this way, I get that voluminous look that I really love. So once I'm done getting all the clip-ins installed with my bang, I am pretty much done. So I'm going to comb everything out, make sure it is to my liking, and blend my hair. Also, one thing I want to mention, when I do my actual bang clip-ins, I do not clip them close to my hairline because I don't want people to see my track, and I definitely don't want them to see my clip-in extensions. So as you guys can see, my hair is so much more fuller at the bottom. It's not as sparse and empty as it was before. So I really make clip-in extensions to enhance my actual natural hair. So here I am. I'm gonna snip, and I love a blunt cut for my bob. I don't like anything other than a blunt cut. It's my favorite. So here I am layering my bang, and I'm only cutting the clip and extensions. I am not cutting my real hair. So now we're going to style, press, and blend the natural hair with the extensions. And I'm just going to do a couple curls and curl under, just so it looks a little bit more fuller at the bottom and just to give it a little bend. I'm also going to flat iron the crown of my hair because I definitely like the voluminous look in the middle. So as you can see here, I'm giving it a little bit of a bend as well. Alright, so now it's time to work on this bang. It's my favorite part. I love my layered bangs. They've always been this way, and I love the way that my hairstylist cut them for me. So I'm just going to basically curl away from my face, just so I kind of get that pin curly look. And I'm just going to kind of do this throughout my bang, as we're really trying to achieve a voluminous bang here. So once I'm done with that, I am going to work to the other section of my hair just to blend out the sides as well as my hairline, because you guys know, again, I'm relaxed. So I'm about, I want to say maybe 2 months post relaxer, so you definitely can see the natural hair coming about. It's creeping up. So I'm just going to kind of blend that out so it matches the rest of the texture of my hair. So now we're going to use our finishing products. I am obsessed with the Natural Mother's Plump for Joy Dry Shampoo. If you know, then you know. It is my favorite dry shampoo. It smells super delicious, and I just sprayed at my roots just to give me that voluminous look. I love to put this in my bangs because you know I love a voluminous side bang, and look at that. Just yes, everything. Yes. So now I'm going to apply some edge control. This is personally my favorite. It's the Shine and Jam, and I naturally have 4C texture hair, so my roots are really kinky, so this lays down my hair really well and makes it look really sleek and shiny. And just like that, we're done, you guys. I have finally achieved my voluminous bangs, my voluminous bobiana with my clip-in extensions from Outre. So as you guys can see, my hair looks a lot more fuller, and it just has so much volume, and I love it. So again, I make clip-in extensions to enhance my natural hair and my bobiana style that I just absolutely live for. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!